Welcome to Canary Hanoi Hotel. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code on screen or clicking the link in the description below. Canary Hanoi Hotel is your tranquil escape in the heart of Hanoi, Vietnam. This comfortable 4-star hotel provides the perfect balance of peace and accessibility, located just 1.5 kilometers from the lively city center. We offer 30 elegantly designed rooms, ensuring a personalized experience for every guest. The hotel was last renovated in 2018, keeping things fresh and modern, while the original construction in 2009 blends contemporary style with traditional Vietnamese touches, creating a truly inviting atmosphere. You'll find a seamless check-in process upon arrival, with check-in starting at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in. Checkout is until 12 p.m., allowing for a relaxed departure. Getting to the hotel is easy, with only a 40-minute trip from the airport. We offer free Wi-Fi and express check-in. Please note that while children are welcome, extra charges may apply. We also offer a delicious breakfast. Don't forget that you can book your stay now by scanning the QR code.